So I'm gonna count down from 10 to 0. But then you shiver. But then you should know I don't really wanna take it slow. So if you love me, let's go.
What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, I decided to do a quick, I hope it's quick, DIY using all Dollar Tree items. And I'm going to be using these watercolor pencils, the little cute little artist canvases, which comes 3 in a pack, and some coffee filters. So y'all, let's get started. Okay, guys, wanted to show y'all what I have so far. I'm using this as my model, and I just really quickly sketched it using the blue watercolor pencil thingamajiggy. So I just sketched it looking at this Jones, and it was real easy. It just come right up on the board. There's no issues or whatever. I ain't the best artist on canvas like I'm doing. Matter of fact, this is my first time, so hey! So I didn't really want to make this like so much a drawing lesson, because yeah, got other awesome channels for that. So just get an item of your choice and sketch it on your board, on your canvas, I should say, and just make it cute. So my next step, I'm going, since this is watercolor and I want that watercolor effect, I'm going to add water to it. So I, once again, don't know how it's going to look, guys. We are what? Freestyling this bad boy. So however it looks is how it's going to look. So let me go get that water and continue with the next step. Okay, guys, I got some water. Since I'm using a jar, so I put the water in the jar. How smart am I? How you doing it? Y'all know y'all can also get paintbrushes at the Dollar Tree as well. So I just dipped it in some water. I didn't put, it's a kind of, it's drenched. It's saturated, whatever you want to call it. Maybe that's too much. And I'm just gonna put it on that bad boy. Ooh. You see, maybe you can't see. Let me finish a little bit. Oh my God, y'all, I already like it. It's already doing what it's supposed to do. I'm gonna try to give y'all a closer look. See, I just added the water to it, and it's doing perfect, just like I wanted it to do. And I really just wanted to have that watercolor effect. So I'm just basically, as y'all see, I'm dabbing. I hope y'all can see. Man, y'all already know. When you're a one-woman show, it's hard to know exactly what the heck y'all seeing sometimes. But I just wanted y'all to see like the effects of the canvas as well as the watercolor pencils. Because for $1, I can roll with it, okay? How about that? And it's easy, guys. If I can do it, y'all for sure can do it. This, I promise you. And like I said, this is just a rough sketch. This ain't all Picasso up on this bad boy, bruh. So I just want some more watercolor effect. Booyah! Oh snap! I'm about to sell this bad boy. So do y'all see that? Let me see what y'all seeing. Y'all wasn't even seeing it. But see the watercolor effect up on that Jones. Boom. So that's pretty much, that's good to me. Bam. Okay guys, in the final step, you're gonna make you a coffee filter flower. I've already created mine. I have at least 3 or 4 videos of how to make different kinds of coffee filter flowers, and I will leave them down below in the description box so y'all can see how I make my coffee filter flowers. But they're easy guys, no problem. So this one, I already dyed and all that other good stuff. It's kind of big, but I'm still roll with it guys. And all you gotta do is, of course, take your drawing. This is how it looked while it's finished drawing. And of course, y'all know y'all can add more color if it's not enough color, and all that good stuff. And I'm going to apply it to my canvas, guys. I just think it'll be easier. And you already know, hot glue, y'all can readjust if it's not properly centered and all that other good stuff. And I'm gonna place my flower on it. I'm gonna be right back, but I'm gonna just place it like that. Hold up. And there you have it, guys. Y'all could use a smaller flower, guys, which I probably would next time, but for now, I think it's cute. You can also make a fake stem, but I'm pretending mine is in water. So I might add like more of like a water effect. You can even get like fake, not fake, but real sticks and apply it if you got smaller flowers. So y'all already know this is free. So anyway, there you have it, guys. The finished product. Booyah! Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. See you guys next Sunday.